A little bit of background on Pomerol Partners and who we are as a company. We're a business intelligence consultancy. We're heavily focused on helping companies produce high impact reporting to optimize processes and then inevitably increase revenues, lower costs. We often use the Qlik platform to deliver our solutions, and as an elite partner of Qlik of many years, maybe 6 or 7 years now, we know the platform intimately. However, we do also partner with many other software providers in the BI space, especially on the predictive analytics and machine learning side, and we spend a lot of time helping companies integrate other platforms and tools with their Qlik ecosystem. As a company, we were born out of the investment banking industry in London, so that's sort of where our roots are. We've since broadened our reach, and we now have clients in many sectors, pharmaceuticals, retail, many in supply chain and manufacturing, just to name a few industries there. In response to an ever-increasing demand for our services in the US, we opened an office in Chicago about 3 years ago. And so we now have a team of 70 consultants between the UK, the US, and South Africa. We work closely with a broad range of clients of all sizes, and many of these are currently using the Writeback extension in their Qlik environments. I think the experience we've gained in deploying the extension, especially in large enterprises, has been extremely valuable. We've encountered all the nuances of multi-node environments and complex security, and that's really put us in a good position to head forward and do a lot more implementations in those large enterprises, which do tend to be more complex.